Okay, we got a massive windstorm, dust storm going on in the desert here. I'm Jay.
I'm Lisa.
Our Simple Adventures. Be right back. Okay. It's supposed to be 24 hours of this.
So this is on our way to Parker to go to Walmart. Are we crazy or what? This is one heck of a dust storm wind going through the desert here.
Okay, you guys, yeah, we're, remember I told you a couple videos ago that one of my good friends passed away 3 weeks ago. Well, he's a happy hour buddy. You know, we've got this core group of people that we're going to get together and pay our respects to Mike today. And Lisa and I, we left the Prowler in the desert. We're gonna get a hotel and yeah, just pay our respects to Mike. Look good, Bear. Smile. Okay, yeah, we just got a couple more sunsets here. We're gonna wrap. Got the generator going there. You guys can. We're gonna wrap up our time here in Quartzsite. I'll probably do it a little different next year, and we'll talk about that. But yeah, we're gonna go up to Phoenix for Lisa's granddaughter's birthday this weekend, and Peyton, if you remember her from the Christmas video, little cutie pie. And then we're going to go mooch dock in Tucson and explore southeast Arizona. Yeah, one of Lisa's best friends lives in Tucson, and said we could stay there as long as we want. Well, we're not gonna. We'll maybe do a week there. You know, just there's a lot to see around Tucson and southeast Arizona. But oh. Look at Bear. Notice anything different? I did a video on this. It's a project. Look at these headlights. Brand new headlights on Bear. Bear had cataracts, so we had that taken care of. It's supposed to be funny. But anyway, yeah, we got Bear some new headlights. It's dark out here in the desert, and we want to have bright headlights. Probably wind up doing the fog lights sometime too. But oh, by the way, our trip to Phoenix, yeah, I didn't feel like I really should film that, but yeah, it was nice. All us buddies got together and paid respects to Mike. So that was for you, Mike. Anyway, I think we're gonna wrap up this week's video right here. It's probably a little short, but we're going to start doing some day trips and adventures, going back across the country. The adventure starts now. God bless. Love you guys. Lisa's inside finishing up eating. I just wanted to get this sunset and wrap it up so I'd have a video for you this Saturday. So again, please hit that notification bell, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Yeah, and oh, and the video of me doing the headlights will be in a few days too. So God bless, love you, see you in a few days.